What do you mean enough?
What?
What do you mean enough?
Enough.
Let me see a lap around.
A lap? A whole lap?
Yeah.
Why?
Looking good. Looking good. You're way better than I expected you to be.
Huh?
You're way better than I expected you to be.
Yeah, you gotta keep walking the wall.
Maybe you should go full speed and jump in the snowbank over there.
No, because you said it'll scratch up the skates.
Well, if I can have it on this video, I don't care about the skates.
You can stop that now. You can put a new one on. Stop.